y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I was like on social media and I saw somebody like making, or they went to a restaurant and they had souvlaki, and I was like, what's souvlaki? And I was like, oh, it's some like Greek chicken skewers. I'm like, I haven't had Greek food in a minute, like a long minute. Like I feel like when I made the arrayas, is that even Greek? I don't even think that's Greek. Anyway, I was in the mood for it, you know, something a little like fresh, and it was just so good. It's so simple. It was so easy to make vegan. But even if it wasn't easy to make vegan, like, you know, I'm finna help you out. But anyway, if you want to see how I made vegan souvlaki, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make like a little protein or whatever for this, let me be serious. The protein I chose, I'm so unserious. The protein I chose to use was soy curls. Now, when I decided like, oh, I want to make some souvlaki, I was like, I'm gonna use tofu because, you know, tofu's my girl. Like, we locked in. And I was like, no, I want to get a little bit closer to the original. So if you wanted to recreate this, I feel like tofu, and you didn't want to buy soy curls, I feel like tofu is a great way to go. I get mine on Amazon. So I delayed making this because I was like, I want to use soy curls because I don't keep soy curls around. Like when they're here, I use them and then I forget. But what else could you use? I mean, I feel like this would be cute on like some cauliflower or something, girl. You just don't soak it. Like, you see what I'm just doing right now? Okay, so soy curls, like, especially if you're new to being vegan, you like, girl, what is that cardboard? It's soy protein that has been dehydrated, so you gotta rehydrate it. So I rehydrate with boiling water, 2 vegan chicken bouillon cubes. You could use vegetable broth. You could use soy sauce. Wait, hold on, let me slow down. Use vegetable broth. That's what I would use. If you don't have a Whole Foods, whatever the case may be, you don't have better than bouillon, use that. I let it sit for like, I don't know, girl, 2 to 3 hours. That's what the recipe says. So the flavors go inside. All right, boom. I drained it. I wrung it out like a dish rag. Like, they're so durable. Don't worry about it. I mean, unless you're the Hulk, wring it out, okay? So then you left with this stuff. I used some lemon juice. The recipe says 1.5 lemons because I wanted to be honest. That's what I used. Do what you want to do with that information. I did some olive oil. I got that good stuff, y'all. Like, I was at Whole Foods. I was like, hold on, let me buy this. Because normally I use grapeseed oil, but you know, that's my business. Some oregano, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Y'all, it's super, super simple. Like, you see why I want to use tofu? Like, you really could use, like, whatever you wanted. Like, it's so good. I feel this would be good on mushrooms. Like, if you wanted to roast some, ooh, you roasted some broccoli with this? Stop playing. I feel that would be mad good. Let me know how that goes. Okay, I covered it. I listed in the fridge. Let's be honest, it's a moment of transparency. I was supposed to cook this like days ago, but like I had to catch a flight. It was like there was no way it was gonna work, and I wasn't like, come on, y'all, like I couldn't miss my flight. That's not your fault, that's mine. Anyway, so it sat in my fridge for a couple days, as in 3. It only needs to sit for a little bit, like I don't know, girl, like an hour. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the skewers. Now I'm gonna keep it a beam with you. I'm gonna keep it a buck. When I make this again, not if, because I was eating, I was grubbing, I was like, oh, I gotta add this to my little rotation. When I make this again, am I using the skewers? No. But did I do it for the vibe? Yes, I was committed to the plot. Okay, because you know, I'm trying to recreate like I make anything vegan. That's kind of like my shtick. Girl, you can skip this. If you Greek, don't drag me, okay? Like, it's cute for the vibe, it's cute for the picture, but girl, just saute it. Okay, here goes some EVO. Oh, shout out to Rachel Ray, period. That's my girl. How's she doing? I haven't seen her in a minute. Anyway, I had this big old pan I rarely use. I should use her more often. She's cute. Anyway, I wanted to go for a char. So don't be in the comments like, la gotcha, Bonaparte things. Don't worry about me. See, that's what you worried about. See, that's the problem. You worried about what I got going on. Worry about what you got going on. I wanted a char. Isn't that pretty? Like, it really gives like, oh, she's in Athens. Oh my God, it's giving Santorini. Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna make some tzatziki sauce. I feel like this will go fire. I feel like I made pita. I'm gonna try to find it. Like, I made a little, or is it naan? I made something, girl. This will go so well in a sandwich. Like, I wish I like made more. First of all, I always wish I make more, but I wish I made more. And I wish I committed to the plot of making pita bread and making like a little sandwich with it. Because baby, this would like this tzatziki sauce and some tomato, cucumber, olives, all that razzle dazzle. You really could have you a moment. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, I make some tzatziki sauce. I've made tzatziki sauce before, but I'm gonna show you again. And you know what's funny? When I was writing out the recipe, I was like, what did I write before? And I like that recipe better, so Put that in the caption. It's basically the same thing except the recipe that I'm including in the recipe. Yeah, the recipe that's in the link. There we go. I know English. I know words. I could put sentences together. That recipe just has garlic in it. Oh, I also said you can use plain yogurt. So tzatziki sauce normally has yogurt, but you're gonna see like I like using tofutti. I don't know what happened with them. Somebody in the lab, they changed the recipe. I feel like it's mad thick. So like I wanted to do this instead. If you want to use plain yogurt, you can. But also I feel like vegan sour cream is better. So that's what I did. Cause then it's a little pungent, you know. It's just some cucumber. I'm using English cucumber, so I didn't have to like gut it. If you use a regular cucumber, you should gut it because it's gonna get mad watery. And then you're gonna be like, what is this? I'm like, girl, you didn't follow instructions. If you're gonna use a regular cucumber with like the thick one, like the American one, I don't know. I'm not a gardener. That's not the word I wanted, but I wanted something more trifling. But anyway, we move. Gut it. It's cucumber, it's dill, it's lemon juice, black pepper, garlic powder, boom, 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 bow. Okay, here they are. Aren't they gorgeous? Like, it really looked like, oh my God, she turned on the grill. Oh my God, she's grilling in fall. Yeah, like she's a multifaceted girl. That's what it gives, right? Y'all, this was so good. It was super simple. I really encourage you to add it to your like routine. You know what I'm saying? Like it gives salad topper. It gives sandwich in topping. You know what I mean? Anyway, relax. It's super good. It's super easy. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you're Greek how I did, but don't do too much. Don't do too much. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos. You know I'm doing a soup series. I'm so excited for the one I got coming out on Friday. But I know what y'all are asking for. I got you. You feel me? Yeah, I'm doing a soup series all fall. When does fall end? December? Anyway, let me know what you want me to make next. If you don't want soup, what do you want me to make next? I'll be looking. I'm making a Swiss roll. I got to figure that out. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.